Hello, it's me, John, with another food review. Today I'm going solo so I went shopping and I picked up this. It is a glazed cherry pie by Krispy Kreme. And I remember always seeing these sold by Hostess, the Hostess fruit pies, and they used to be one of my favorite treats, snacks to pick up from Hostess. And if you recall, a few years ago, the Hostess went on strike, and when they opened up, they resold different parts of their company to other baking companies. And I'm wondering if they might have sold part of their pie factories to Krispy Kreme. Because Krispy Kreme, they make donuts. I've never seen them make these kind of pies in their store. And it's in a similar box. And they have similar flavors, all the fruit pies. They also had a lot of cream flavored pies, like lemon cream, chocolate cream. I think I saw banana cream. But cherry pie has always been my favorite for the fruit pies. So I'm going to taste it, see if it's, in my opinion, the same thing, different, better, worse. We'll find out. So it has a tab here that I'm supposed to press to open. And that, as I've been talking, I've been trying to. And it just doesn't seem like... Oh, there we go. Finally, a little tab. So let's see. Let's slide out. It has that very similar smell. You see it's like a frosted pocket. You can see it must have been sitting down like this, going over the waterfall of glaze. And I was wondering, because Krispy Kreme makes really good glazed donuts, maybe the glaze will be really good. It is really good. Now, it does, I don't know if this is because I'm just thinking of Krispy Kreme, the crust has more of a cakey, donut-y flavor that I'm familiar with the Hostess brand fruit pies. The filling tastes pretty much the same. So, off the bat, I'm going to say this Krispy Kreme pie, if they purchased it and just making it with slightly different ingredients than they used to, I'm going to say this is an improvement from the Hostess. Let's see what it says here. It says, manufactured under the authority of Krispy Kreme Donut Corporation. Okay, does it say where it was made? No, it doesn't say. It does suggest that I microwave this for 10 to 20 seconds. That might be really good. It says manufactured under the authority of Krispy Kreme Donut Corporation. That makes me think that it's not really a Krispy Kreme produced product, but they bought it and now they kind of oversee it. Cherry filling is delicious. You have real bits of cherry. I don't think I see a whole cherry in here, but there are shredded bits of cherry. The picture makes it seem like you break it open and there's just a bunch of whole cherries in there. And that's really not the case. It's more of a cherry filling, flavored filling. But I do see shreds of real cherry bits. I got crumbs on my lip. It's $1.19. It says October 21st. I'm guessing that's the expiration date. I wish it would tell me like where it was baked. Anyway, maybe I'll get back to you on that. Probably not though, because I'll forget. Anyway, I'm gonna say the Krispy Kreme cherry glazed cherry pie. This is a solid 9 out of 10. Excellent sweet snack. And that's all I gotta say. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.